All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Infiniti Q50. It is the black with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice. Only 38,000 miles in this vehicle, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just at 6:30 seconds. Let me double check it. Boom, that's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. In this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? Very minimum 3, about 6 inches there. And your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. It's a push start system. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all nice and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls and your stuff here down below, right here and right here. Dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, in your mileage of 38,171. Very nice. One second, open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Bose system. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders and rear AC vents. Coming around. Rear bumper. Does have a dent right here. This is about 3 to 6. Yeah, it's about 3 to 6 inches right here. From here to about here. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's a rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is some tools here and stuff like that. Did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter does have a little ding right here. Less than an inch, but it is there. Here's a rear passenger side rim. Very nice curbing. Yeah, less than an inch right there. Actually, some more down here. I'll say 10 or more, just engulf it all. Tire thread. This at 6:30 seconds. This door looks good. Does have a dent down here, less than an inch, but it is here with some paint off. Is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door. Door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. You got your, it is a powered seat as well. This quarter. This fender here looks pretty good. Here's your rear, maybe your front passenger rim. I don't see any curbing on this. And your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. Let's turn on these fog lights. You guys can see everything is working. Stuff like that. Boom. Boom. And as you can see, your fog lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, a 2017 Infiniti Q50 with 38,000 miles. You guys get any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.